Hi, Cheryl here from ENJO. Just a quick video to show you how quick and easy it is to clean your stainless steel and things in your bathroom. So I've got my dust cloth and I'm just going to rub it together, and I'm just going to go over the radiator just to pick up any dust that's lying on those bars. This is a super fibre for dusting all around your home for £27. It's one of the ones that's designed to last for over 5 years, so it's great. I always dust my bathroom before cleaning because it'll pick up all the dust, the hairs and the fluff and things, so it's really handy for that, especially if you've got a bathroom that's not used. You just dust it and I guarantee it'll be okay. So I'm just going to take my bathroom glove and I'm just going to give it a wee wet with my wet water, and I'm just going to wipe any marks that's on the radiator. And then with my ENJO, I'm just going to dry to lift all that excess water and just to leave it shiny. And then it's that easy. That's how easy it is to clean your mirrors, your glass, your shower screen, etc. I'm not over buffing, I'm not battling with streaks, I'm just using that ENJO to lift off the water. So I'll show you on the other side here so you can see that it's not left anything. Look at that, it's just sparkling from a quick wipe. And I'll just take my glove again, just lifting anything that's there. And with my ENJO, I'm just giving it one quick wipe down and you'll see it lift all that water. There's nothing left there. It's as easy as that to do your whole bathroom. Thank you for watching.